Travis Kelce is one of the most well-known NFL players right now. The tight end's car collection surely mirrors his stature as a sports and popular legend, as he is a star of the Kansas City Chiefs and Taylor Swift's fiancée. Kelce's riding fleet, like his personality, symbolizes his personality, a mix of sophistication and vitality without forgetting his practical and useful side. The three SUVs that have a specific space in his garage are proof of the latter. According to what is known, the Chiefs tight end has a 2014 GMC Terrain, a Mercedes-Benz AMG G63, and a 2016 Range Rover SV autobiography. When he's conducting errands in Kansas City, he uses the GMC, while the Range Rover is his luxury vehicle. Travis's garage, as one would expect from a sports celebrity, also holds several high-end sports automobiles that would make any other collector jealous. His 2015 Hyundai Genesis is a luxury automobile with tremendous sporting potential. His 2014 Aston Martin Vanquish is more suited to the speed and excitement of the open road. A muscle car classic, a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS convertible, couldn't be left out of Kelce's collection. The Kansas City star has a special fondness for this car because he was pictured in it with Taylor Swift next to him on one of their well-known outings. However, there is no doubt that Travis Kelce's garage is dominated by his $400,000 Rolls-Royce Ghost, a car powered by a 6.6 LV12T engine and named after the iconic 1906 Silver Ghost. The luxurious car has a special position not only in the player's garage but also in his life. He's already been observed riding the team's pumped-up wheels to and from training sessions on multiple occasions. According to media accounts, the automobile has been seen several times freshly washed and ready for action in the hours before Travis's date evenings with Taylor, albeit there are only a few photographs of them aboard the lavish